Friends, how you doing? This is Romeo the Professor. I'm in my Coinbase account, and as you can see, just now loaded it up with $20,000 worth of ETH. I did it about a while ago, as you can see right here, received today, and that's because I'm going to buy a coin's dip. But before I do, let me click the losers so you can see, but not the losers like that on Coinbase. Let's go to the tradable so you can see the losers, because right now I want to buy the losers, but buy a specific loser. I want to see a 15% or something like that, a dip. So the coin I will buy is going to be ACH. Cello did 12%. And ACH, let's see if we see it. ACH, I just want to show you how much I think ACH, it said about 6%. But if you look from a week, it was at 12. So if I do this, it's 13%. It dropped from a week. So if we look at the all-time high, right here, so about 15% drop. But if we look from the month, we see it reached 12 and it was a hardcore resistance, and it pulled back down here. But the lowest it ever went was right here, 6. So I see this as a strong support. So I'm going to buy ACH, and I'm not going to play with it. I'm going to buy 15,000 ACH. Yes, 15,000 ACH I'm going to buy. And I have, if I look at my portfolio, I have 5,000 in there, right there, waiting so I could buy more of ACH. So I bought 15,000, but it cost me 300 on Coinbase. I know I could use Coinbase Pro, but that's what I decided to buy it on. Okay, so now if we click trade, let's see who the coins that made the top movers. Uniswap, your Wi-Fi, Sushi. Let's look at the top gainers. FTT, so the market is not moving that much. So this is Coinbase. I bought ACH, Alchemy Pay. If we say what Alchemy Pay is, if I go to the official website, it'll say right now, Alchemy Pay, been connected globally with 65 countries, regions. It's a fiat and crypto payment channel. And it has over 100 strategic business partners: Shopify, CeeLo, Binance, Hubo. And with applications in online scenarios currently used, offline, it's a APS, POS, web, and card service. You can experience digital currency payments, so you can make payments. So I think payment gateways are huge. And so, yeah. And you can buy ACH in any of these places. You click here, you go to Coinbase Pro. Click here, you go to BBO XX. Click here, you go to BKEX. So all these are different exchanges. Okay, so this is my Coinbase account. I loaded it up and I'm a chill. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share.